Hi, in this video we will see how to create a virtual environment uh, for developing Python code or Python application using Visual Studio Code. To create a virtual environment, at first we need to create a folder. So I'm going to right click and then I'm choosing new folder. Okay, and then I'm renaming this folder like Python dev. I'm right clicking again and then I'm choosing rename and then I'm typing Python dash dev. Suppose this is the folder where we want to create the virtual environment. Once the folder is there, then we have to open Visual Studio Code. We can open Visual Studio Code from the applications panel, or we can hold command key and scroll all together and the search spotlight search will be appeared. From there you can type Visual Studio Code and then it will show you the Visual Studio Code. Just double click on top of it to open Visual Studio Code. Once Visual Studio Code is open, you will see this type of window. But our uh, target was to create a virtual environment inside this pip environment. Right now it's empty, right? So at first we need to link this folder. So we can link this folder from here. We have to select the Visual Studio Code, then we have to click File, then Open, and from Open we have to go to desktop because this is on the desktop, and then we have to click the folder Python dev, and then once we select the folder we have to click Open button to link this folder. Now Visual Studio Code is linked with this folder, and then now we have to open the terminal. We can open terminal by clicking View and then go to Terminal, and you will see the terminal window be here. Once you are in the terminal window, at first check the Python version, whether Python is there or not. So we can check the version of Python by typing Python then space dash dash version, and if we hit enter, then we'll see this is the Python version which is by default is installed with the Mac, and this is the old version. To check the Python 3 version is there or not, we can type the command Python 3 then space then dash dash version and then hit return key, and then it will show the Python 3 version which is installed in this computer. Right now I am seeing that it is 3.8.1. Now we need to install the pip environment because we are interested to create a virtual environment using pip environment. So to install pip environment, we have to type the command pip3 then space then install, then we have to type pipenv this command, and once you type this command hit return key and it will start installation of pip environment. And once the installation is done, then what we have to do, we have to activate this environment. We can activate the environment by typing the command pipenv then space then shell pip environment then space shell. Once you type this and hit return key, then the pip environment will be activated and you will see this type of command prompt. See here it is different, right? Python dash dev, so that means inside it it created a virtual environment. Okay, but previously it was like this one, right? So there is a change. Okay, that means we are here, and once you are here, then we have to type the command pip environment instead of pip3. Okay, and if you open the Python dev folder, you will see there is a file it created, pip file. Okay, and if you go to the Visual Studio, if you click it, you will see that it is there. Okay, so this file it is created, it is actually telling dev packages, like packages require something like that, and it is also showing the Python version 3.8. Okay, so now we want to install something. To install something, we can type the command pip environment then space, then for installing we can type install and then module name. Suppose we want to install the module name request, you can use any module name here to install, but right now I'm showing you that in this environment how to install all module. Previously we typed here pip3, but now as we created virtual environment and we are in the virtual environment, we have to type the command pip environment then space install then the package name. Once you type this, then hit return key and it will start installing that request. See here it is showing installing request, and it is showing everything that it is installing, and once the installation is finished, then you will get this confirmation message, something like that. Okay. And if you go to Visual Studio, you will see that there is another file created, pipfile.log. Okay, if you click there, you will see this is like a JSON file, and there are lots of things. I'm not going deep for this thing. Okay, so I'm going to pip file. So here, once you install pip, the request pack module, so you will find that this pip file is modified. You will see that request is there, the packages is request, and here it shows the version. Right now the version is start, that means it is the current version. Okay, so in this way you can easily install any modules or package inside this environment. Right now, if you open this thing, you will see that there are two things. Okay, so basically it created the virtual environment, so whatever you will do, it will be inside this folder, and this is a virtual, you can think that this is a virtual computer, that means the virtual environment. Okay, so in this way you can use this thing. And if you want to see what are the Python packages are installed there, you can also check by typing the command pip environment, pipenv, then a space, then we have to type lock, then a space dash r. If you type this and then if you hit return key, then you will see right now it has this thing is installed. Okay, so basically when you install request, by default at that time it install other things also. Okay, and now if you want to uninstall this module, we can also do so. At the time we have to type pip environment env, then space uninstall, then space and the module name. Suppose we want to uninstall the request, then we have to type request, and once we type there, you can press return key. But previously we used pip3. Okay, now we use pip environment, and then once you type this, press return key, and it will uninstall everything, and you will get this message uninstalling this one. And if you go to your pip file, you will see it is also updated. Okay, there is nothing here, it's empty because packages we uninstalled. And if we type here again in the command prompt, like pip environment, then space lock, then space -r, then you will see there is nothing. Okay, because there is nothing, we uninstalled that on. And this way you can create a virtual environment, and to exit from this virtual environment, we can type the command exit, and it will exit the virtual environment and it will go to the regular environment. So hopefully by watching this video, you understand how to create a virtual environment for your Python development. It's very easy and simple, and I prefer this way to create a virtual environment to develop. So thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question or any comment, you can put in the comment section. And also if you like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to share this video with others and subscribe to our channel. And all the commands which I used for this tutorial you will find in the description section. Thank you again for watching the video.